Thank you for tuning in today. It's a pleasure connecting with you, and I promise to keep you inspired and encouraged. What would you do if the world seemed to turn its back on you? This is the story of a young bread seller who embarks on a journey of resilience, struggle, and lessons learned. The Bread Boy. This is a tale that inspires us all to persevere even when the odds are against us. One scorching summer afternoon, a boy trudged through the streets with a basket of sweet bread. Despite hours of effort, not a single loaf had been sold. His energy waned, but he whispered to himself, "I'll rest in the shade and try again. Maybe luck will change." As he searched for the resting spot, an elderly woman approached him. Her voice carried concern. "You look so tired, child. It seems the day has been unkind to you. Why not give up and go home? There's no point struggling in this heat." The boy hesitated. Before he could respond, the woman walked away. Moments later, a young man who had overheard their conversation added his opinion. "She's right. It's just a bad day for sales. Go home, my child, and rest, or you might fall ill." The boy, disheartened by their words, decided to give up. With a heavy heart, he turned and headed home. But as he disappeared from view, a car pulled up. A man inside called out, "Where is the bread boy? I want to buy his entire basket to feed the children at our orphanage." Passers-by informed him, "He's already gone for the day." The man sighed and drove away, leaving a bitter-sweet lesson lingering in the air. The Bread Boy's story reminds us of two vital truths. Trust your heart over the voices of doubt. Success often comes just a little past the point where most would give up. Let this tale inspire you to keep moving forward, no matter how tough the journey. Who knows? The opportunity you are seeking must be just round the corner. This is Mrs. Reena, and you are watching E-Club. Subscribe for more inspiring stories that ignite hope and resilience in the toughest moments. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.